happening, guys? I'm Aidan from DK Tune. Today's video is on this gorgeous Lexus IS250 in for a full custom catback and an induction kit as well. So it's going to sound absolutely sick when it's done. Hopefully we can get some nice little pulls of it as well. Beautiful car. It's really well decaled up as well. If you have a look on the side, if we can see down the side, we have the like grey sunrise Japanese kind of thing on the back. Aftermarket lights as well, which look really cool as well. Not so sure on the wheels, not really my cup of tea. And the tinting on the front windows as well is like a pearlescent kind of tint as well, so it looks absolutely sick. So let's hear what it sounds like and get on with the build. So if we have a look underneath the ISF, we have 4 sets of cats. So obviously we've got the front cats and then also secondary cats. We're going to be going from the secondary cats, so from about here, we'll cut that off, and then from where this res is, all the way to the back boxes will be full custom. We're just in talks with the customer of whether to cut these 2 cats out as well, to improve noise and all that as well. So yeah, hopefully you'll say yes, and we can get some big V6 noise. Underneath the Lexus, you can see Ryan's done a really good job on all the welds, and we go to the back into the twin. Oh, it looks really good, these welds do. Really like it. So this is going to sound absolutely sick. So let's start up and hear it. The engine bay of the Lexus, Jake has moved on to fitting the new K&N air filter, which is in this box. Oh yeah, some K&N goodness. And this is the old air filter that he's just took out. And there you go, guys, we have fitted it. I've put the covers back on, everything's all right. Checked for leaks, everything's fine and stuff. So basically what it is that it comes out of the throttle body down here into this little enclosed area down here. Then the heat shield is here, and then the actual K&N filter is just below this, with the direct air flow from here down into the heat shield and into the K&N. So hopefully we're going to have loads better running and loads better airflow as well. And that is it, guys. The Lexus has a really nice tone to it now. Loads louder as well, sounds absolutely sick, and it has loads better airflow as well. So if you want, like him, a new air filter fitting or a new exhaust, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next one.